Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine typically take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, but today we are visiting the jewel of New Jersey, the Point Pleasant Canal. We've got some heavy boat traffic today. It's going to create some interesting situations. Let's see how our captains fare as they try and do battle with the canal. We'll go ahead and step into the first round and let's go. And here comes our first competitor, and man, look at this traffic. It is the boat train rolling through the Point Pleasant Canal, and our captain is getting rocked. This smaller vessel is absolutely taking a pounding as he's trying to make his way through the canal. Basically, we've just got a heavy current here, a ton of big boat traffic, which is tossing this one up and tossing our captain around. But to be honest, he actually looks pretty good. He's doing a pretty good job of keeping the bow up and picking a good line. I mean, we've seen a lot of boats get into trouble here on the canal in similar conditions as this, but our captain's holding his own and he may make it through. I wasn't sure when I first saw him coming in how this one would fare, but it looks like our captain's gonna hold on and take a win for the boats here in the first round. Let's see if the boats can keep the momentum going as we move into the second round of our competition, and here we go. Our crew's making their way down the canal. I don't really recommend somebody being in the bow of the boat. It's just added weight, which can help in stuffing the bow, just like we see here. And my man pops up like burnt toast as soon as it happens. He's like, bro, what's going on? Well, that's kind of what happens when you add a little extra weight in the bow and your crew's moving a little slow. I mean, they don't have much of a choice. It is a no-wake zone, but still, you stuff the bow, you take the loss, and that'll bring us to a 1-1 tie as we move into the third round of our competition. And here in the third round, we're going to feature a Key West making its way through the canal, of course with another bow rider in the very front of the bow this time. Oh wow, we get big air, our crew pounds down, but they're gonna power through it. Right here we can see they just hit a big wake. Our girl on the bow is able to hold on to her drink just like a true Point Pleasant cowgirl, and they're gonna power their way through it. This was a close one that could have gone bad, but our girl hung on, and I'm not going to have a choice but to go ahead and give the boats the win in the third round, and that will bring the boats up 2-1 over the canal. And let's see if the canal can make a comeback here in the fourth round, and here we go. And yeah, we've got 3 people in the bow. We already know that doesn't typically fare well, and man, they're going to get a little wet, and we're going to stuff the bow. Our guy's going to get the boat a little sideways, and the other guy's leaving the bow. He's like, yeah, I've had enough, bro. I don't want nothing to do with that. Kind of interesting, though. He decided to leave the kids in the bow while he went ahead and bailed on them. And of course, that's going to give the canal the win here in the fourth round. And that's going to bring us to a 2-2 tie as we move into the fifth and final round of our competition. Who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats or the Point Pleasant Canal? And here we go. We've got a sea hunt making its way through the canal and another bow rider, of course, and man, they hit a big wave. Our girl's in the bow trying to take a selfie, and from the full speed replay, you can't really tell how hard they hit, but watch here as we go. Boat's gonna come up one more time. Our girl gets airborne, smacks back down. She's gonna feel that one for a little while, and that's enough for me to give the canal the win. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens in the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.